Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The camels of the camel's honor who does not pay what is due on the camel's will, on the resurrection day come in more than the actual number, and the honor will be made sit in front of them on a desolate plain, and the camels will pass trampling him with their legs and hoofs. The cows of the cow's honor who does not pay what is due on the cow's will come in more than the actual number on the resurrection day, and the honor will be made sit in front of them on a bare plain, and they will pass, goring him with horns and crushing him with the hoofs. The goats whose honor does not pay what is due on them on the resurrection day will come in more than the actual number, and the honor will be made sit on a bleak plain, and they will pass, butting him with their horns and trampling him with the hoofs. That day none of them will be without horns or broken horned. And the treasure of a treasure honor who does not pay Allah's right on it on the resurrection day, in the shape of a bald snake, will open its mouth and run after him. When the treasure honor will flee, a proclaimer will proclaim, 'Take your treasure, we do not need it.' When the treasure honor will not find any way out, he will insert his hand in the mouth of a snake like treasure, and the snake will chew it like a camel." Abu Zubair, the reporter, says, "We heard Ubaid bin Umair narrating it in this way. We then asked Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu, and he as well narrated like Ubaid bin Umair." Abu Zubair says that he heard Ubaid bin Umair say, "A man submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is the right of a camel?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, 'Milking it while watering, so that the people may drink it, giving the camel in order to draw water by a bucket, and landing the he-camel on crates for matting, giving the she-camel for drinking milk, and loading people's luggage on it in Allah's cause." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2293.